the flow up, cause it's really finna go up. Twist and turn, cause we about to blow up. Ice, ice fashion, it's the life we chose.
What's up, bitch? At the beach. Ooh, that sounds sunny. Yeah. Miracle.
Walk.
It should be. You at the beach for the first time. Wait, slow down.
Where you trying to go, little one?
The beach.
Where you trying to go?
Go see the aqua. How the sand work? Come on, Miracle. Ooh. She don't know how to walk. You gotta walk. You don't like this, man. Why are you making that face? Come on. We're gonna walk all the way to that pier part. I told you it was fun.
I'm about to walk my ass to the water.
Alright. Gonna take breaks through the way. You don't like the sand? Let's get to the water. Wanna go to the water? Go to the water. Well, couldn't stay there that long because the little girl started throwing up.
That was all, folks. It lasted about a good 2 minutes. 2 seconds, I guess.
So, gonna find out something, figure out something else to do.
On to the next place. Yo, this dude out here getting baked, bro. Bro, what the freak? You're here. Part 2 in the
Say
house.
hey. Nico, you just swinging.
Swanging.
Where's the cook? Alright, come on, let's go. Like, I'm gonna come with this thing. Come on, bye. Slides, be careful. I don't know, but this is not the one she's going through down. She's going down the other one. This where you can climb up, I think, but not slide down. You want to climb up? Go.
Yeah, you gotta get rid of the sippy cup.
Oh, my bad. Woo! Go.
Nah, you can't stand up. These roads. I don't even think you're really supposed to be climbing this, but this mom.
That's why it's there. Just put her around. Come on, Miracle. Let's go. Watch out. No, this way. Go. Which one? You want the big one? Go.
They're both the same size.
Look. Slide. You gonna go down? Here, put it down on the slide.
Girl.
Let me go down. Hold on.
Okay, take off.
Woo! Yay! Yay! You wanna do it again? Huh? Gotta go back up this way. Look. You gotta go back up this way. Come on. Really? Be careful. You want to get on that? Hold on. Woo. Come on. Woo. Seesaw. I mean, not seesaw. Go, go, go. Go, yay. Yeehaw. You having fun, Rico? Right. Why let you discover this?
Last time I put you through.
You don't want to do it no more? You was just... Okay, you want to do that? What is it? Making music. Look. That's not. That's making the music too. I guess so. Let's go down the slide or whatever you want to do. The slide right here. Look. Look. Slide. Go down. Woo! Go. Woo! Go. Okay. You came back up. Ooh. You did it. Woo. Wanna go down the other one? We'll go down that slide. Go. It's another one. Woo! Yay! She loves these slides. Oh! She do exactly what I do when I do something. When I do something like that. She gonna keep going back and forth. Oh, be careful. Where you going? That one. Oh my gosh. You on a big kid swing now?
Well, that's one thing you can say you've been doing since you was 2. Just don't lean too far forward.
You're so goofy. You having fun, Miracle? Having a ball, going back and forth.
Feet.
Swing together.
Go, Miracle. Go, Miracle.
Come on. Go.
And kick the whole slide off.
Shut up.
Shaking my head.
What slide? Oh, the other.
Kick the other slide off.
I didn't even kick it off. It just slid off.
Let's go, Miracle. Let's go. We about to crank it up. About to crank it up. Whoa. 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 Woo.
Good, good, good. Talking and talking. It come out good? It came out good?
Came out pretty smooth.
That's good.
Okay, donkey. Miracle, where you going? Boy, them little kids in the graffiti the life out that well, boy.
Right there. You want to get on the turtle? Put on the turtle. Daddy gonna put you up. The other way.
Turtle. Turtle,
Careful. Careful. Turtle. You on the turtle?
Turtle.
Turtle. Alright, you wanna get down? Get her. You having fun, Miracle? You putting sand in the the jar thing, the container. What is that?
Switch the flow up, cause it's really finna go up. Twist and turn, cause we about to blow up.